In front of me is HUAWEI Enjoy 70X, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by selecting Messages app and tapping on this plus at the top right corner to create a new chat or selecting one of the existing ones. Now tap on this plus at the bottom left corner and more at the bottom right one to hit audio section and pick your audio file. Just click on it and use this check mark at the top right corner. If you want to add a video one, select plus icon again. Click on your video here in gallery section or choose gallery, select your video and hit done at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!